Hey guys, so what I have here is a Hayward filter. It has the XL valve, and it looks like this is a round cover. There's some of them that have like little ears. The older ones have like little tabs that stick out, but this is the XL cover. They've been around since the early 2000s, I would say. And what happens is they start getting stiff over time and making this weird sound when you turn them. And what you'll notice is out this is your backwash. So when you have it in filter, if this valve goes bad or the gasket inside, you'll see water coming out here, and there'll be water coming out of your backwash. So what we're going to do is I got a new one here, and the new ones come with the gasket right on it, and there's a O-ring on there. And all you got to do is take these screws out, pop the old one off, make sure you put this one back on the right way. It's got a little notch on it. There's a little notch right there, and that's pretty much it. So you can do it with a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can do it with a drill. Either way. So this, you can see how the gasket is completely worn down. You can barely see it right here. It's gone. And you'll see the new one has like a ridge on it. Like when you tilt it, you can see that there's a ridge, there's a lip. So this one was completely shot. So you just pop the new one on. Make sure that the handle is like in a neutral position in between two of the notches, and you just pop it on there, screw it back in. Just don't over tighten it. You just want to put them all in and then go back around. You can tighten them all back up. Just make sure that this gap is closed after you put it in. Just don't want to over tighten it. If you're not used to using an impact, I would just use a screwdriver. Just this one a little bit more. This one like 1 or 2 turns. Alright. And that's it. And you got a new valve. Nice and easy to turn, and it'll work perfect. Alright. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.